So if I do this, it changes things.
Hey everybody. What do you think? It's alright. It was a good time. Spent a couple hours here shooting, I think. And now I'm heading back to get home fast because I just realized it's almost 5 o'clock. You know what 5 o'clock is? 5 o'clock on Wednesday. Shaw Night Studios, baby. So, I gotta run home. Or I'll be pulled over somewhere watching from my, from the bike. But, oh well. Hey Sean, look. My favorite toy. My favorite $20 Tuesday. Serves many purposes. I still carry it to bonk anybody on the head if they try to steal my camera equipment. But I use it for so much. Best thing you ever put out on the channel. Best thing. Don't hit yourself in the head with this. You'll be getting crayons for your birthday for the rest of your life. So the audio you're hearing now is the helmet audio because obviously the GoPro is on the handlebars. And after playing with footage this weekend, I realized the helmet audio is worth the effort. It's a little better. Especially the engine noise. The engine noise sounds so much better through the helmet camera. Less wind, smoother. And to be honest with you, the weight of that camera on the front, it got old after like 300-400 miles. I was like, all right, I haven't enough of this. Ooh, excuse my language. Hood River or Portland? Portland it is. Ready? We're going into traffic, kids. My favorite. Yeah, how pretty everything is, though. Sorry if I yelled. It got louder to me in here, anyway. I have a half an hour to get home for Sean's show. I don't think I'm going to make it. But it wouldn't be the first time I watched the show from the bike. Alright, let's get out of here. Whew.
All right, 7 o'clock p.m. Welcome to the actual show. My name is Sean. This is Wednesday Night Studio Sessions. Shaw Night Studios, 7 p.m. every Wednesday,